Hi, I'm Mr. Warren. I want to welcome you to Language Arts class for 6th graders. And I thought I'd just take this time to just give you kind of a brief overview of what we're going to do for this first half of the year, the first semester. And in weeks 1 through 6, we'll be looking at a book called Seed Folks. And as I'm opening up these different weeks, we'll start that actually in about week 2. That first week, what we have is some more testing. But once we get it to week 2, we'll be using a book called Seed Folks. And it's really a book. It's a fictitious book, and it has 13 different narrators. And then what we'll be learning about is we'll be learning about voice. We'll be learning about narration. And then the book has a theme of how a community can change by the actions of one or more persons. So in there, there'll be some different writing assignments where you'll be practicing that. I've also got an assignment here where we had a little bit of downtime where you're going to do a little bit of research about volcanoes. In week 7, we kind of change. So as I'm going through here, I'm opening these up. These, for like I said, the first weeks, those are going to be in that book called Seed Folks. But when we get to week 7, we change to a different book, and it's called The Giver. It's a science fiction type book. And in this, we're going to be developing writing skills of details about the setting and how to develop scenes and stuff like that. But this book is looking at how a writer might want to cause us to think about ourselves and our roles that we play in society. That's what the book does. And as we're doing that, we're developing our own skills about what do we want people to be learning from what we're writing. When we get down to weeks 14 and 14 through 17, those last couple of weeks is where we're going to do some research. And when we're researching, we're going to be researching about different cultures. We're going to compare those cultures to our own, but we're going to be developing skills about how to write a formal research paper and the things that we can do to make our writing better. Well, that's just kind of an overview for this first semester. Again, I want to just welcome you. I think it's going to be an exciting year.